From backyard cricket as a kid to representing my country, my journey has been fueled by dedication and the drive to always give my best on the field. Hi, I'm Liam Livingstone and I've been playing professional cricket for over a decade now. From playing in the backyard as a kid to representing my country, I always try to give my best on the field with passion, dedication, and the drive to always give my best on the field. Being a professional cricketer, the schedule can be intense, but it's all a part of the grind. Whether I'm at the gym, traveling for a series, staying in hotels, or back home, I can make my smoothies on the go, anytime, anywhere. It's more than just a blender, it's become part of my performance routine. The game demands being energized and healthy at all times, and with Hamilton Beach, it means I'm always ready to be energized for my country.